Happy birthday, mommy!
It's my birthday.
Yes, it's your birthday. Get a kiss and hug you. Get a kiss and hug you. I love you, mommy.
I love you, Yana.
Happy
birthday, mommy.
Sa beach pool.
Thank you, guys. I love you
Sa beach
both.
pool.
And tomorrow, asa man ta tomorrow?
Sa beach.
Pagdali, are, pagdali. Oh, booty. Booty. On a booty. Yeah. Hi, happy birthday. Thank you. Todo yung signature ko eh. Hello. Coffee. We are here in Paradise Resort again and again, and we are with the family nga naghilak ang bata na nang order. Thank you, sir. Oh, di ba? Kini si B-boy, gisugo na siya ni Marjorie. Pero madunggan ako ang dili na siya surprise ni Nay. So, okay. Nakabalo na ko, nakadungog na ko diri sa ilahang kuan. Unsay mo ipa-order, unsay message. Very good kay ka, B-boy. Very good jud kay ka.
Hindi lang ka mag-take a bath kung matugnaw di ka.
Matugnaw man po na ano po.
Hindi rin naman kutob, liog lang man.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy.
Thank you. What do you want to video? You hold.
I wanna
Ano ang camera? This is the camera.
guys. Hi guys, you want to see the water?
Baliktad. Sky ilang makita.
Hi guys, you want to see the floaty? Okay. Okay. Now what did you? Okay.
This is my mom.
This is my mommy.
Kadool pa oy.
This is
Makita di mo kayo ko?
Now we're on the beach. You got no beach? This is my favorite beach. You thought it's mom's favorite, huh? Okay. Want to see in under? Okay, so you can hear the kids, huh? Let's go to daddy.
Lunchtime. Lechon kawali. Nice good.
Ah, later.
And the Pinay Pili over there. Char! Ang epic fail nga surprise ni Night. Tungod ani oh.
Wala ka balong. Ano pa ng surprise mo sa birthday ni Ate Arma?
Dili na siya kabalo mag-surprise.
Bukil yan, mo always surprise.
Tanan. Naglisod. House na me. And came home to these gifts. Gikan kay Fran. Thank you so much, Miss Fran. Look how small. And this one is from my bookkeeper. Thank you, Irish and team. This is red wine. Surprise! There's a big balloon from Mommy Joros. Nag-order lang ang takog 31. Sabi ang surprise ko ni Ani. Ay, very extra. Happy 31st birthday, Mami Ara! Thank you, Mami Joros. Ako ang pinakasuki when it comes to balloon arrangement. So, from 31 to this. And this is from, oh my god, this is from Trisha. Now, she note, but of course, I have to make this personal na lang. Wow! Wow, 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 wow! Is this a vegan pizza? I super love it, Trisha! I know, ni Biboy!
Yana, it's me, Yana. Hi, it's me, Yana.
Hi, Anna. Thank you, flower store. Asus. Mia.
Oh, sa'yo nga, nag-lunch yan. Lunch na.
Salamat kayo, masaming inyong mga pinilanggang anak karon nagagatigong dili sa talad kanalang aron pagasaluhan kini mga pagkaon na giandam nila Ara ug Biboy ug sa pamilya. Panalingin kini mga pagkaon karon among pagkaabitan karon kinauton sa mga kabasko kini sa among kalawasan. O Ginoo kini among pagsalu-salo karon agi celebration sa 31st birthday sa among pinalagang anak si Ara. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Today is February 9 and naipahabol nga gift si Sunshine, of course. Oh my god, it's so pretty with the flash. Liminho. na cup sleeve. My goodness! And kini kataanan kaayo. Dapat tagaan ako siya og dungagan ako yung mug collections pero naunhan ko niya gift. So cute! Thanks, Shine! So thoughtful. Thank you, good Shine. Wala ko na-expect. By the way, this was the very first gift that I received for my birthday. This is from Ari, my brother.
Your brother.
Cute kayo. Masigo akong phone din eh. So, it's so good. Napag siya eh. Secret pocket inside.
This is like this.
Thank you, palangkoy.